How to turn on or turn off high picture resolutions on Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then from the home screen, open up the camera app. Next, tap on the control button and then tap on the settings icon. In camera settings, we then scroll down and tap on settings to keep. Next, tap on high picture resolutions. Tap on the toggle button to turn it on or switch it off. This will allow you to keep 50 or 200 megapixel resolutions applied instead of switching to the default resolution when you close camera. After that, tap on the back key or tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.